Hi everyone, Michael from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au. So a couple of days ago, I got a bee in my bonnet and probably let rip a little bit more than I should have in front of the camera. Ruben, I think, cut out the worst of it, but we still released it to the airwaves and it's caused a bit of excitement. So I'm here to offer a formal apology. Now, those that haven't seen it yet, I went on a bit of a rant about the insulting attitude that Dr. Chalmers had taken with the Australian public over being able to understand inflation and what was causing it and why these decisions had been made. And I think I need to apologise formally because during that video I compared Dr. Chalmers to a muppet. So I am formally apologising to Jim Henson, the Muppets in general, and Walt Disney, who now own the Muppets. For the comparison, it should never have been made, and I can understand why it was so completely insulting. And my full and utter apologies to all involved in the Muppet community. I've been a big fan of the Muppets since I was a very young child and would never do anything to damage or tarnish their reputation intentionally. So here is my formal apology for it.